Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the new link that goes in your key sheets, the new link to the project location that the FDOT now requires. As you know, normally we do a Google Maps link, but they don't want that anymore. Now what you're supposed to do is get a link to their Office of Work program. As you can see, each of this magenta line is a different project. You can see the FM number if you highlight really close. Now, if you go to the FDM, the Florida Design Manual, under 910, which is the section where they have the key sheets and signature sheets, go to where their errata is. And these are fixes that they have done over time. And if you go to the 910, which is the key sheet, down here they tell you, and they give you an example of what it's supposed to look. Basically, it's this long URL, and you replace this last number with the first 7 digits of your FPID number. In this example, it's 2179321. That's where you stop. So you will copy your project number up to the 1 and just paste it at the end of the link. There's no easy way to do this. It's just you click this link. This is a sample link, and it takes you to that sample project. So what I recommend is just do make a bookmark of this link. So in the future, you just replace the last 7 digits, I'm sorry. So for my project, for example, it will be 4478021, and it will take me here. So this is the link, the one, but notice this link is huge, and that is, as I like to say, no good. So they ask you to find a way to condense and compress that link. There are many ways to do that. What I like to use and what they actually suggest is go to tinyURL. This website's purpose is to make a long URL, make it tiny. So I'm just going to copy this, make it tiny, and here's a new link. And this is what you would, let me copy that properly. This is the link that you will copy and paste, and you will put it under your project location in your sheets. And let me just double check to make sure it works. Let's open a brand new tab and paste our tiny URL, and boom, it takes you to the Office of Work program.